In this video, we will understand why we should use Prisma. Prisma is a new kind of ORM that, like any other tool, comes with its own trade-offs. So Prisma will be a good option for you if you are building a server-side application that talks to a database. This is the main use case for Prisma. Server-side applications typically are API servers that expose data operations via technologies like REST, GraphQL, or gRPC. They are commonly built as a microservices or monolithic apps and deployed via long-running servers or serverless functions. So Prisma will be for sure a great fit for you if you are using these applications and deployment models. And at the moment, Prisma supports several relational databases, and during this tutorial, we will use the Azure SQL Server. If you care about productivity and developer experience, so Prisma is a good option for you, because productivity and developer experience are core to how we are building our tools. So Prisma looking to build developer-friendly restrictions for tasks that are complex, error-prone, and time-consuming when performed manually. If you really enjoy to work as a team, so Prisma definitely is a good option for you as well. The Decorative Prisma schema provides an overview of the current state of the database that's easy to understand for everyone. This is a major improvement to traditional workflows where developers have to dig through migration files to understand the current table structure. And if you want to use a tool that holistically covers your database workflows, so if you want to use this way, so Prisma is a good fit for you as well. So Prisma is a lot more than just another ORM. You can use a database toolkit that covers the daily workflows of application developers that interact with databases. If you really enjoy to evaluate type safety, so Prisma is a good fit for you. Prisma is the only fully type-safe ORM in the TypeScript ecosystem. The generated Prisma client ensures typed query results even for partial queries and relations. And finally, if you want an ORM with a transparent development process, proper maintenance and support, so Prisma is a good space for you, because the Prisma is an open source project and you can help inside in the GitHub repository as well.